much as liquor is
makiria maikundi magana matano niciireketie kuheana mawoni macio megie mutaratara wa watho wa kigina wa 2024-2025 kuhitukira njira itiganite ta gwikinyia mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igie kigina iria irongania mawoni maya nagi magatuma macokio mao kuhitukira njira ya email kuri kamiti ino iria yugite iri na mwihoko wa gukorwo irikitie mihango ino ya kungania mawoni ma muingi na gutemania riboti yayo bunge-ini ya bururi mbere ya guthomwo kwa bajeti.
So far we've received more than 500 written submissions. We've had a discussion with the different sectors, whether it's the manufacturers of paper, manufacturers of alcoholic drinks and other beverages, edible oils. Ndugamano ya kimiario na kuri uguo NIIYUMIRIRIE hindi ya gikaro kio muthe gatagati ka ikundi itiganite iria ciekinyirie kuheana mawoni macio thutha wa kiama kia athondeki a njohi kwendekithia kweherio kwa mendekithia ma kuongerera igoti mithemba ya njohi cia wines and spirits niguo guthaitira andu kumana na gucokerera unyui wa njohi cia ibango.
But the principle underlining why illicit is growing in alcohol space is the reality that legitimate alcohol is not affordable. And that's the reality. And if you see with the proposed increments, it will further worsen the situation. So it is our proposal that if we really need to increase excise taxes, let the proposed 79% be graduated over a period of 4 years.
Kuringana na kiama giki biashara yawe koragwo nyitirire na njira nene arimi ngano iri huthikaga guthondeka njohi iguru ria kunyitirira Kenya gikiro gia gatagati-ini kugia na njohi njega cia kunywa itari cia ibango.
If we increase the rate, you might suffer on one end, and I think that is where Chair is alluding to. And my question, similar, is where you rank Guinness, because you know it's a higher percentage.
Yeah.
And why you don't, because now with this regime, it would make sense to have Guinness stout with a lower, is it stout or extra stout? The one that has a lower percentage. So I just want some understanding.
Yeah.
So that we know how we deal with this issue.
We did a research in 2023 and partnered with several government agencies to identify what is the level of illicit as a country. And based off our research, we hired an international recognized firm because we wanted to know what is the Kenyan situation. And sadly, from the research, it was clearly identified that 59% of the market is illicit.
Murugamo yo ni ureganirwo naguo na njira nene ni kiama kia thingatithia ukinyanirie wa mawatho hamwe na kiama kia arutu aria mahuranaga na uhuthiri wa dawa cia kurevya makiuga unyui wa njohi ukaga na mogwati matiganite ma ũgima wa mwĩrĩ noguo makanyita mbaru kuongererwo kwa magoti.
We support fully, at least as the base of starting, the rates proposed with respect to spirits and wines at 22.5 Kenyan shillings and 16 Kenyan shillings per centiliter.
Riu kibarua kinene gitigitwo moko-ini ma kamiti ya bunge kugeria kuiganania mirugamo ya honge ici itiganite naguo guthaitira biashara nyingi na iguru ria guo guthaitira mioyo ya Kenya.
It's an interesting conversation. Of course, now on the back end is trying to compare these facts and see what is really really factual, and now after that make a decision that is best for the Republic of Kenya.
Girivotera Kameme TV, jitagwo Mwaura Wagunya.